We're going to take a look at this book. The title or the name is What Does Sunlight Do? And right on the front cover, we can see the author's name, Jennifer Boothroyd. And while we're reading this book, take a look and see if you can notice any of the parts of the book that makes a book just like you. What does sunlight do? And there on the title page, we see where this book was born, where it was published, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Here's our table of contents, which tell us what's going to be in each of the chapters. And here's where the text begins, sunlight. Sunlight comes from the sun, and our photograph is labeled. It says the sun is a star, and we have a bold word down at the bottom, sun. So that means that's an important word for us, and it might even be in a glossary at the back. We need light to see. The sun gives us light. Sunlight brightens the sky. The sun even makes light on cloudy days. The sun rises early in the morning, and our label or caption says, the sun peeks through these trees. The sun climbs higher later in the day. Our caption says, sunlight is strong in early afternoon. The sun sets in the evening, and our caption says, the sun has started to set. By nighttime, it is dark, and the caption says, the moon gives a little light. It reflects the sun's light. Sunlight makes us warm. Sunlight gives us heat. It heats the ground. And this caption says, this ground is hot and dry. Sunlight warms the animals. And this caption says, this lizard gets heat from the sun. It heats water. Sunlight is stronger in summer. And there's another bold word, summer. There is less sunlight in winter. Winter is also bolded. Using sunlight. Sunlight has many uses. So here our caption says, clothes dry in the sunlight. Plants need sunlight to grow. Our bodies need sunlight to make vitamin D. And the caption says, vitamin D makes our bones strong. We make sunlight into electricity. There's another bold word, electricity, and the caption says, these panels catch sunlight. Why do you like sunlight? Here's our glossary. So these were our bolded words in our text. We had electricity, summer, sun, and winter. And here's our index. Just like our index finger, it points us to certain pages where we can find information. So if we wanted information about electricity, we'd go to page 21. If we wanted information about vitamin D, we'd go to page 20. And notice these words are in ABC order, alphabetical order. So that was, what does sunlight do?